This video tutorial I will explain how to send SMS directly using AWS SNS in Java without using a topic. In this diagram, you can see three participants: publishers, then AWS SNS and recipients. And we will write the Java code which will send a message to AWS SNS that will be delivered to end user phone. We will see how to do that. Here you can see the prerequisites. You need an active AWS account. Ensure your AWS user has SNS publish permissions. You have to install AWS SDK dependencies in form.xml file. I have logged into AWS console. Search for SNS. Here you can see the mobile section. Click on text messaging. Here you can see sandbox destination phone numbers. I already added my phone number and I have already verified. This step is important, otherwise you won't receive the SMS message. To add new phone number, you have to click on this. Then here you have to provide your phone number. Then verification message language. Then click on add phone number. Then your phone number will get SMS message with the verification code. That verification code you have to enter here. Then click on verify phone number. We'll add the phone number to sandbox environment. You have to make sure AWS configurations are done in your system. Here you can see credentials and config. Here you can see the credential file. It has access key and secret key. And in configuration, region is mentioned. If you want to know how to configure AWS credential, please check the link in this video description. One more check you have to do, that is the AWS credentials belongs to particular user. You have to make sure the particular user has SNS publish permission. Here you can see I am using the user who has AWS SNS full access. If it is not there, when you run the program, it will throw an exception. If this policy is not there, using add permission, you can add the particular policy. Click on add permissions. Choose attach policies directly, and here you can search the permission and attach to the particular user. Here you can see AWS SNS demo project and its folder structure. Here you can see the pom.xml file, and here we have to include AWS SDK for SNS dependency. Here I have defined the class SNS example. Inside main method, I have declared a phone number and the message. Here I am creating a SNS client object using AWS credentials. Then to send SMS, here I am creating a publish request object using a message and the phone number. Then I am calling a publish method of SNS client object and passing publish request object. This method will send SMS to AWS SNS, and AWS SNS will deliver the SMS to recipient phone number. And this method returns publish response object. From that I am getting a message ID and printing that. Then I am closing SNS client object. Now I am going to run this program, and here we got the output. Message has been successfully sent. Here you can see the message ID, and check your phone number, and you might have received the SMS. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.